All right, hello peoples. I am going to go over some examples of solving systems using the elimination method. No, using the substitution method. I was looking for my red marker. Oh, here it is. Good. So using the substitution method. Let's get to work. Okay. Here we have an equation, as you can see, a good equation here, negative 4y equals x. Here you have another good equation, 2x plus 6y equals negative 3. So when you are solving using the substitution method, you're substituting one variable into another equation. So the key is to do this correctly, obviously, but specifically to be, strategic, because here you can see that the x is already solved for. That's a good x. So this x would go here, but you're not going to put the x for the x because that's stupid. You're going to put the negative 4y into the x here because that's smart. Right, Odie? Yeah, of course you're smart. Now, when you do that, you get 2 times negative 4y plus 6y equals negative 3. See, you got nothing but y's here. Y's for days. But we only want to get one y. We can't deal with this many y's, so we just solve this equation for y. Negative 8 plus 6, negative 2y equals negative 3. You do some math that we learned back in toddler school. And we get the y is, I'm going to download for this. Oh, jeez. 3/2. And yes, 3/2 is a number. You will have to deal with fractions, so learn to love them. You have to. Now, don't worry, we're not done yet. We still got another fun part to do, because now we just plug this value in, purple, into where? What would you think? The y? Not into this, into here. That y. Because if you plug it into the x, that would be dumb. So we're smart. And we work hard to accomplish our goals. So we get negative 4 times 3/2 equals x. And we get that. 4 times 3, 12, negative 12 over 2, negative 6 equals x. So bang. Put it as an ordered pair. Negative 6, comma, 3/2. Shebang. There we go. We got our solution. Not a problem. All right, let's keep the fun going. Here we have another great equation. Looks great. Oh, so I've got my markers mixed up. All right. Okay, so we don't have like an x or a y just given to us. That's good because we like to work for it. So we're going to solve for this y here by taking away 12x from both sides. You see? Then we're going to skip and dupe. We get the y equals negative 12x plus 21. And then what do we do now? What do we do for this x or y? Well, we have a y here, but don't put this into an x because that would be dumb. You put this or this for that y, but don't put the y for the y, put this for the y, because you only want x's. So let's go down. 18x minus 3 times 12x plus 21. No, yeah, minus 12x plus 21. Don't forget to put equal to negative 36. Now we solve for x. 18x distribute plus 36x minus 63 equals negative 36. Combine those x's. Gotta get down low. 54x, add 63. Oh, man, what's 36? I don't want to. My calculator's too far away. Is 27? Yes, it is. Yeah, 27. So then x is 1/2. Please, I hope I didn't make a mistake. So x is 1/2. Don't worry, the fun is just getting started because we have a whole nother part of the problem to do. But now, you don't have to, waste a lot of space with plugging the burp. I just, had a Champagne Express. Now, you plug the x, value. I got sidetracked by thinking about Panda Express. X equals 1/2. You plug it into here because you got the y by itself. You can save yourself some whiteboard marker. Then we're gonna go cut through like a badass, and then we're gonna go y equals -12 times 1/2 plus 21. Y equals -6 plus 21. Y equals 15. Yes, and we write our answer as 1/2, 15. Ba-bang. Good job, guys. Let's do 2 more. Yeah, let's do 2 more. Yeah, let's do 2 more. Oh, these are cake. I don't even eat cake, but I know they're cake. You see? Okay. If anybody's interested in being a professional whiteboard eraser, let me know. I'm looking to hire. I can pay you in paper. Not money, but literally like paper to do math. But all right. So C, we have y equals 4x, 32x plus 21, y equals 29. And start the other one now too, just because just because I want to. Y plus 1 equals x, -2x plus 3y equals 2. Ba-bang. Nice. So try them first, obviously, on your own. Well, I mean, not obvious, but it's always good to try a problem on your own. And since this is a video, you can just pause it and then unpause it when you're ready to check the answer. But here I go. So y equals 4x. Bang, we already got this done. 4x into this y. 32x plus 21 times 4x equals 29. And we just do the math to solve for this. 32x plus 84x equals 29. All right, 80, 110, 116. Am I doing that right? 110, 116. I hope I'm doing it right. I don't want to use a calculator, but does 29 go into? Yeah, it does. Because that'll just be 1/4. Dang, see? I don't need a calculator. A calculator needs me. All right, and we get x equals, that'll just be 1/4. Oh, there's a Cheerio on the ground. These kids. Okay, now I put this 1/4 in for this x. Simple. Travel up north, then we go east. Y equals 4 times 1/4. And then y equals 1. Put it as an ordered pair to respect the math graph. 1/4, 1. Ba-bang. Remember, this is these points represent where the graphs would intersect on the xy plane. One more for now. X we got as y plus 1. So put in for x, y plus 1 here. What's that noise? Negative 2 times y plus 1 equals x. Oh, no, that's not. No, I didn't mean to do that. Whoops, plus 3y equals 2. Negative 2 times y, negative 2y, minus 2, plus 3 equals 2. Okay, no, not a problem. Y, add the 2, y equals 4. Bang. Hey guys. Now you put this 4 in here. No, you put the 4 in here. 4 plus 1 equals x. 5 equals x. And the ordered pair would be, put it over here. Pointing out of the way. 5, comma 4. So there we go. All right, so there's some basic practice problems with using the substitution method. Here's my panda. Hey guys. So I hope that helps. Let me know. Feedback. I'm a teacher, so I'm used to being criticized harshly, but I'm talking to a video right now, so I don't know, what I'm doing is making sense. But let me know, and please subscribe, and if you haven't yet, and tell your friends. And I'll see you guys in the next video.